Media Services Group tutorial on how to maintain advertisers and agencies from Élan.Web. In the Élan.Web advertising module, users can create a new or edit an advertiser or agency. To do so, navigate to the advertising module on Élan.Web and click on the Customers menu. Then click on the Advertiser Agency Maintenance menu. To edit an advertiser or agency, enter the advertiser or agency ID or perform an advanced search using the magnifying glass. You can also create a new account for an advertiser or agency. An advertiser can be made inactive by clicking the Do Not Use button to set it to Yes. Advertisers' classifications and details can be edited or entered new in this screen. Scroll down to enter the privacy preferences, the social media links, and view addresses or legacy IDs. Save all the changes you make by clicking the Save button before navigating to a different node. Click the Employees Contacts node. This will allow you to add any new contact information by using Add a New Contact or edit existing contact information by using the pencil icon. Click on the Node Account Overview. This will open a separate screen providing you with details for all the customer information, including the address, the billing, and any order information. You can add notes to the account from these links. You can apply a credit to the advertiser. You can enter a check payment or a credit card payment from these links. You can further drill down into the open invoices using the hyperlinks. You can view paid invoices as well as past payments. You can also mark some of the invoices and email the selected invoices to the desired addresses. To set up the accounts receivable defaults, click the AR Setup node. This allows you to enter any credit information for this advertiser, such as credit hold status, credit rating, and credit limits. It also allows you to enter billing defaults regarding tax code, as well as billing contacts. Scroll down and you can choose another advertiser for which this advertiser is allowed to pay invoices. Enter the advertiser ID or search using the magnifying glass. Once you find the advertiser, click on the plus sign. One or more advertisers can be added to this list. This will display these advertisers in the Élan.Web Accounts Receivable module when it is time for this advertiser to pay the invoices due. The user-defined fields are also available to edit from the screen. These are the same fields which display as UDFs in the print order entry screen. They can be useful to enter information regarding approval dates, approvers, and any miscellaneous information regarding the advertiser and order. Click the Advertising Setup node. This will allow you to add information regarding this advertiser. For example, whether they are an agency, whether they use one or more brands, what the default print information is, for example, the print order status, the billing ID, whether they use a credit card whether they require a purchase order number in the order entry screen, and whether they use third-party actuals for digital orders. Scroll down even further and you can add billing contacts, confirmation contacts, as well as information regarding tear sheets and copies, which will be automatically filled in the print order screen. The Contracts and Brands tabs allow you a window view into the existing contracts and brands for this advertiser. If you click the Create a New Brand or Create a New Contract links, you will be directed to a separate screen that will take you to the maintenance of the respective nodes. You can also edit existing contracts as well as existing brands from these hyperlinks. Click on the Accounts Alerts node. This will allow you to add or view existing alerts for this advertiser. If you click on Add a New Alert, the pop-up screen will open and will allow you to enter information regarding the alert type, the module of where to view this alert, the start and end date of the alert, and what the alert message should say. Please note that the alert will not prevent the user from proceeding with the actions they intend to perform, such as creating a new order or paying an invoice. The alert is meant for information purposes only. Click on Cards on File node, and this will allow you to view the existing credit cards on file for this user. If you click on Add New Card, the screen will allow you to add new credit card information for the advertiser. Note that the credit card numbers are encrypted even when user attempts to edit the credit cards. This is for security purposes. To view an audit trail of changes to this advertiser, simply click the History of Changes node. You will be provided with the date, timestamp, user ID, and description of every change that took place on this account. None of the above data can be altered from this screen.